Hi, my name is Jeff, and this is another one of my tips on how to build your reputation online and market that reputation to get more customers. First of all, I want to talk about your Google Business Profile. It used to be called Google My Business, but now it's been changed to Google Business Profile. And that's where the best place you can actually set up your reviews. Direct all your reviews to your Google Business Profile. And this is the best place to leave them. It's where most people look. When you set up your Google Business Profile, you should optimize it, which means that you fully fill in all the details, all the categories, the locations you service, the hours that you're open. And one of the things about hours is that you must always change them if there's a public holiday coming up. Nothing worse than having people come along to your business and find that you're not there. You can put posts up there on a regular basis. You can list your services. You can list products, you can list special offers, and make sure that you keep it all up to date and running. Google loves this. Google will reward you with better listings. If you have any trouble setting this up, contact me with the details below and I'll be able to help you get started. Thank you and have a great day.